Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically import responses from Microsoft Forms directly into Power BI, completely hands-free. If you're tired of manually exporting responses or juggling with spreadsheets, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless automatic connection running behind the scenes. You'll be able to see fresh survey data in your Power BI dashboard in real time. No extra work, just the insights you need right where you need them. Let's get started with a really powerful tool from Microsoft called Power Automate, which will be the bridge between your Microsoft Form and Power BI dataset. First, head over to Flow Microsoft.com in your web browser. This is where we'll create what's called a flow, which is basically a set of automated steps that run for you whenever something happens, like a form being filled out. Once you're on Power Automate, look near the left side for the Create button. Go ahead and click that, and then select Automated Cloud Flow. Imagine this flow like a virtual assistant. It's going to automatically listen for new responses and send them straight into Power BI, all without you lifting a finger. The next thing you'll see is the need to set a trigger. This is the event that kicks everything off. Search for the trigger called when a new response is submitted for Microsoft Forms. Select that. Now the flow will spring into action every single time someone submits a new form entry. This is powerful because it means you're always working with the latest data. Here, where you connect it to your specific form. In the next box, you'll be asked to select your form ID. If you're not sure where to find it, just open Microsoft Forms in another tab, pick the right form from your list, and it'll appear in the dropdown. Select the exact form you want to automate. This makes sure the flow is looking at the right place. After that, add a new action called Get Response Details. Think of this like gathering all the answers from the form entry. This step makes sure we're grabbing every single bit of information a user filled out. Next, you'll add another action, search for Add a Row into a dataset for Power BI. This is where the magic happens. You'll be linking your form data straight into your Power BI workspace. Choose which workspace you want to use. This is like picking the room in your virtual office where you want your new data stored. Then pick the Power BI dataset you want the responses to go into. Finally, select the specific table within that dataset where your responses should be added. Now, probably the most important part, mapping your form fields to your table columns. For each question in your form, pair it up with the matching column in your Power BI table. Take your time with this part. If your questions are named differently than your table columns, just make sure you know what's what. It's a bit like matching up pieces of a puzzle, and getting this right ensures your data flows in perfectly column by column. Once everything looks good, hit Save, and then don't forget to test your flow. Try submitting a sample response to your form. With any luck, you'll see that entry pop up in Power BI in a matter of seconds. If it doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Sometimes flows can take a minute to kick in, especially on the first try. It's always worth double-checking your steps if you run into any issues, and that's it. From now on, every time someone fills out your form, their response will slide right into Power BI, all completely automated. No more manual exports, no more hassle. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more Power BI tutorials. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more practical guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy automating.